here again with the new content. After so long, I'm super excited to being here, to sharing something with you. And it's been a very long gap, I think. But I just updated some of my family vlogs, which is related to the festivals. May you watch and enjoy. And also, I have been thinking of what kind of the content I need to make. But I just have lots of things stopped during my birthday, during the festival time. So I didn't buy much expensive things because I do not have much money, because I do not have much savings. So I have one co-ord which is only a 1000 rupees. You can shop from online shopping Nepal. I think you have lots of offers on another site too. You can check on the Instagram. Also, if you want to see me updated in each and every time, so please do follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, Priksha Yogi. So I will just mention it on the link, okay? And also, we students have only one problems I know, which I'm suffering every day. Even I'm doing a study, we do not have much money, so we are looking for the sales and the cheapest available clothes to look stylish, right? So I have that co-ords, but we cannot use that co-ord in only one way. We have lots of ways here with me, so I'm going to share with you that things. Super excited to share with you guys. I have been missing you so much, but I'm super excited. So let's get started, guys.
At the first look, I'm using that co-ord t-shirt and wearing it with the tank top on the outside, and also with this beautiful basic black color skirt with this long boot. And this look is completely comfortable and so much like basic look. While we are going casual, you can use that look. So I think this is my final look. You can try on this way. So next, on the second look, I'm just using the white tank top and the co-ord shorts with this block heels and with that simple earring, golden color earring onto my ear, and then pearl necklace. And I'm just using that simple that DIY outer which I made by myself. That is my final look. On the third look, I am using the whole set and layering up with this denim jacket and simple earring onto my ear with no accessories, and wearing a long leather boot, black boot. If you have any kind of the color, it's okay. Then this is my final look. I feel like this kind of the denim looks vibes me like a Rihanna, so I use it. On the next look, I'm using this co-ord shorts with this pink up shoulder t-shirt with the sneaker and the lace necklace onto my neck, and this look is super sexy and super cool. That is my final look. So on the next look, I'm using this basic look which we always use as a casual days. First of all, I'm using that co-ord t-shirt and with the wide leg jeans pant with this sneaker as same before, and as accessory I'm using this layered chain necklace, which I only use the chain one, and with the loose hair. And that is my final look. It is basic and the casual look for going every and outside. On the next look, I'm using same co-ord t-shirt as a blouse. It sounds crazy, but it looks super cool, super nice, super sassy. And this is the generations of using our loose and short style blouse, puffy blouse, so we can use that. It's so cool to use like that. Also, we don't need to have that simple tight sleeves and kind of the blouse on this generation actually. So I just sent lots of looks because I loved it, and that is my final look, guys.
Yeah, that's all for today. If you guys like my video, please do mention and do like do comments and do subscribe too, and also mention to your friends, then we can make a big circle between us, which is my favorite dialogue. So of course, if you want my instant update, please follow my Instagram and follow me on the TikTok also. So goodbye guys, have fun, be fashionable, be cool, be healthy. Bye bye.